If Photoshop is showing a disk error when opening, don't worry, then this is usually caused by low storage, a full scratch disk, or file permission issues, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to clear the error, get Photoshop opening properly again, and help you avoid it in the future. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the most common reason for this problem is simply not having enough free space on your main drive. Photoshop needs a lot of temporary space to work because it uses virtual memory and scratch disk storage while it opens files and processes edits. So the very first thing you should do is check your primary drive, which is usually the C drive on Windows or your main system drive on Mac. Ideally, you want at least 50 gigabytes of free space available if possible. If you're running low, empty your recycle bin or trash, delete large files you no longer need, and uninstall apps you don't use anymore. Even clearing a few big video files, downloads, or old installers can make a huge difference. After freeing up space, close Photoshop completely and try opening it again. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is change or add a scratch disk. A scratch disk is the drive Photoshop uses for temporary files, and if your main drive is full, Photoshop may fail to open properly. To change this, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then Scratch Disks. On a Mac, you may see Photoshop in the menu and then Preferences, then Scratch Disks. Here, you'll see a list of available drives. If your main drive is full, uncheck it and select a secondary drive that has more free space. If you have an external drive or another internal drive with plenty of storage, that can also help. Just make sure the drive is fast and has enough room for Photoshop's temporary files. After selecting the new scratch disk, restart Photoshop so the change takes effect. Now, if Photoshop only shows the disk error when opening one specific PSD file, then the issue may not be your storage at all. It could be a file permission problem. In that case, go to the file itself, right-click the PSD and select Properties on Windows. Then open the Security tab and check whether your user account has full control or right permissions. If not, click Edit and allow the correct permissions. This is important because Photoshop needs permission to access, read, and sometimes create temporary data for that file. If you're on a shared computer or using a file stored in a protected folder, permissions can block Photoshop from opening it correctly. Another simple fix is to move the PSD file to a different folder or drive before opening it. Sometimes, the folder you saved it in has restrictive permissions or the path is causing trouble. Try moving the file to a local folder like Documents, Desktop, or directly onto another drive with normal access rights. Then open Photoshop again and test the file. If it opens normally from the new location, the problem was likely tied to the original folder rather than the file itself. If you're still having trouble, it's also a good idea to save your active project files to a secondary local drive while you work. This can reduce pressure on your main system drive and give Photoshop more room to operate. For larger projects, keeping a dedicated working drive can prevent scratch disk errors and make Photoshop much more stable. So to recap, the best fixes are free up space on your main drive, change your Photoshop scratch disk to a drive with more room, check permissions if a specific file is causing the issue, and move the PSD to a different folder or drive if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem quickly. If this video helped you fix the Photoshop disk error when opening, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.